Hey everybody, I had a great question from Kirstin recently about goddess pose. So goddess pose is the one where you take your feet really wide, turn your toes out a little bit, and then sit way down. So as you do this, you want to try to position your knees right over your ankles, so you're reaching those knees back. You're trying to get your torso towards upright, and then of course there's the fabulous goddess arms that helps to relax the shoulders. Bringing a 90-degree angle into your elbows, your upper arms parallel with the floor, and your forearms perpendicular with the floor. Now, her question was very specific. It was, I feel like I'm leaning forward when I do goddess pose. And I see people do this all the time. There are two big things that people do with goddess pose. Leaning forward is one of them. So a lot of times people will lean forward because they're trying to maintain their balance. Because to come upright, if you don't have the flexibility to really open your legs, takes a fair amount of work. So what it looks like from the side is a little bit like this. So you can see my torso is not totally upright. I want to come towards upright. So how do I begin to build that strength and flexibility? I use my friend the wall. So I come on over and place my feet kind of near the wall. I don't want to be too close to the wall because, you gotta have room for your butt. So feet come out wide, knees bend, toes are out, and I put my back flat against the wall. This way I'm not leaning forward, but I have the support of the wall here so that I have a little less effort involved. And I can begin to work my knees back towards the wall. So I have a real direction to go with the knees. Great opener for the inner thighs. Whoo, big strengthener for the quads. Now, Kirstin didn't ask about this, but I did want to mention one other thing that the wall is super good for. And that's the other thing that happens to people in goddess pose. And whoo, hard to talk and go deep in that pose. Goodness. So that wasn't the thing. That's just my own personal thing right now. So the other thing that I see is butt sticking out here. So essentially I'm leaning forward. My low back is doing a lot of work to hold my torso up. So how do you begin to come towards that neutral spine? Use the wall again. So if you tend to stick your butt out, bringing your shoulder blades against the wall will reduce that. You can still have a little arch there, but you'll begin to see how you can reduce it because it feels better when you can lengthen that low back. So give your goddess poses a try against the wall. See how that goes for you and let me know. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get super strong and open those hips right up in the most delicious way possible.